Hello everyone, this is Taranya, Assistant Professor of English, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So in today's case study video, we are going to see how to reduce plastic usage using refill stations in a big economy like Indian country. So the students are going to discuss how they are going to, what are the ways in which that could be implemented to reduce the plastic usage in our country. Our country, with a huge population, over 14 billion people, is struggling every day to stop and reduce the usage of plastics. They are a huge challenge for our country and our government. So, there are some ways in which we can reduce its usage. One of it is refilling stations. So, students of ITA are going to discuss how it is possible using the design thinking propaganda. So, let's start with the video.
Hello everyone, myself Mitra and I am from BTech Information Technology. I am going to discuss in today's world, plastic wastes have become most serious harmful effect for our environmental life. So for reducing this, we are finding some alternative solutions like refilling stations and ecosystem safety precautions, etc. etc. And we are solving our problem in the design thinking concept. Design thinking concept holds 5 stages, which is known as empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. In this today's world, these problems are solved using our design thinking concept. Let us move to empathy.
Good morning, hi, I am Dhanashree. So I am going to define the empathy part. The empathy part states that it is the way of understanding the user's problems and finding the correct solution for that. And here we are using plastics for the daily life, like grocery packing and all. So we use that because it is cheap, affordable, and it's convenient to the environment. And people are not ready to pay for the higher prices for an alternative. So we need to find an accessible and cheap alternative for this.
Yes, I agree with that because as it is cheap, it is also available freely in the society. We are opting for this option. So, is there any solution or any replacement for these cheap and affordable concepts? Yes, let us see in the video further.
Instead of focusing on reducing plastic, they focus on balancing sustainability with accessibility. This is main their approach for their practical advice. However, we might reduce plastic waste without affecting this infrastructure.
Yeah, I accept this because sustainability is a major thing. Okay, let us see the next one.
Hi, I am Deepika. I am going to explain the ideate part. Ideate is about generating a creative ideas without limitation. Startup aiming to reduce the plastic waste. The team conducted a session like a brainstorming. They came up with many ideas such as biodegradable packaging, refill station, and reusable containers.
Yes, Deepika, I agree with you. As like now, brainstorming is a huge positive response for all these kinds of problems because by brainstorming we can come up with so many solutions because there are so many brains that could come up with practical solutions. So let us get into the next prototype stage.
Hello everyone, I am Jeeva Jyoti, the student of ITA. So next is prototype. Prototype is nothing but it is a demo model of a project or a problem statement. So coming to this point, students created the thing that they
Start.
In this stage, the team selected the idea as a practical idea as the refill stations. So they set up each and every locations refill stations. The customers would bring their objects like water bottles or plastics usages, and they bring to the refill station and they collect oils, shampoos, conditioners, etc. So this would reduce the plastic usages, which helps our environment develop.
Yeah, I agree with your point. So let's get into the conclusion.
Start.
I agree with you. Okay, now let's move on to testing.
Hi, this is very eco-friendly to the users. So they like this system is more
Start.
and the system is liked by the users, and they give good feedback from them.
Okay, so these are the things that are discussed in using design thinking. So I agree with the
Start.
yes, and I agree with this. As Jeeva stated, we can use the used shampoo bottles, all the cleaning bottles. We can refill them. The government could initiate refill stations in major cities, because in major cities people used to buy everything in bulk and everything in bottles and cans. So it would be helpful if the government initiates the refill stations that could fill for lesser prices, and people would happily get their cans on weekends and go and refill their cans. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.